In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data labels to a chart in Google Sheets. Data labels are the small numbers that appear directly on your chart, making it much easier for your audience to read exact values at a glance. They're especially helpful when you're presenting, sharing a dashboard, or printing a report where hovering over data points isn't an option. Start by creating a new chart, or selecting an existing one in your Google Sheets document. If you already have a chart, click on it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and small squares around the edges of the chart. Look to the top right corner of the chart and click the three vertical dots, often called More Options. This opens a quick menu specifically for that chart. From this menu, choose Edit Chart. That action opens the chart editor panel on the right side of your screen. If you already see the chart editor, you're in the right place. And if you prefer, double-clicking the chart is another way to open it. Inside the chart editor, switch from the Setup tab to the Customize tab. This tab is where all the visual styling options live, including the settings for your series and labels. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Series, then click to expand it so you can see more options. Within the Series section, locate the checkbox labeled Data Labels and turn it on. As soon as you check that box, data labels will appear directly on your chart, showing the values for each data point. This immediate visual feedback helps confirm that the change worked and lets you see how the labels look with your data. At this point, the labels are active. If you want them to be more readable, you can refine their appearance right here in the Series section. Options like label format, font size, color, and position can help you reduce clutter and make the numbers stand out without overwhelming the chart. If things feel crowded, consider slightly enlarging the chart area or simplifying number formatting so labels are shorter and cleaner. Remember that different chart types handle labels differently. Column and line charts typically place labels near each point, while pie charts may show values or percentages on each slice. If your labels overlap, small adjustments to the chart size or label style usually solve the issue. That's it. The data labels are now visible on your chart, giving your audience clear, precise values at a glance and making your visualizations more informative and professional.